Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ooh, my mic fell over. I don't even know if you can hear me. Anyway, for today's video, we are jumping into the Base BoxyCharm for the month of March. This is also the last BoxyCharm ever before IPSY and BoxyCharm officially merge together. Next month, it's going to be called BoxyCharm by IPSY, and it's going to be a whole new deal. Now, it's basically going to be the same thing. It's going to be like $28 a month. So this is technically the last BoxyCharm box that we're ever going to unbox pre the merge. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the BoxyCharm Planet Woman March 2023 unboxing, stay tuned. All right, so first thing, they did include in there a great on your own but gorgeous together IPSY and BoxyCharm explanation. So I did a whole video on this, which I will link up above, and you're not gonna be able to read that. I'm just gonna link that video because all of this information I have already spoken about a couple times. We're gonna focus on the unboxing today. Now, I really don't have enough here to actually do a full makeup routine. So we're going to be talking about a lot of these products, but there's really nothing for me to try on other than cream contour, which does not a whole look make. This is variation 1, which means I have no idea how many variations there are actually going to be. First item out of the box, coming in from First Aid Beauty. I love this product. I have used this many, many times. This is the 2-in-1 cleansing oil and makeup remover, retailing for $26. An oil to foam 2-in-1 cleanser that melts makeup and cleanses the skin in a single step, leaving the skin supremely clean and makeup free with no oily residue. The sulfate-free hybrid formula starts as a gel oil texture that helps dissolve impurities, sunscreen, and makeup, including longwear and waterproof. I love this product. I got this back when I was working at Sephora. I got this in gratis. I've gotten it from First Aid Beauty and PR. It's a fantastic cleanser. What I will say is it is not a one-step cleanser. When you use it, you still have to go in with another cleanser. It doesn't leave an oily residue, I'll agree with that, but you always have to make sure you're double cleansing when you're taking off your makeup and your SPF because you will have more on your skin that you just don't see. Next, from Ace Beauty, this is the Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette, retailing for $42. The Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette has 4 shades that can be used to highlight, define, contour, and bronze. Each shade can be used as is or layered on top of each other to create a seamless custom look. Now, I did already peek inside to take a look at what this looked like. And first off, I am going to say any of these mirror, like you can already see smudges and fingerprints. I am not a fan of these mirrored products because they just get so dirty so easily. But this definitely has some great shades in there. It goes fairly dark, so I'm not going to say that this will work on the deepest of complexions, but you'll definitely get quite a bit of use out of this. I can use, actually, technically I can use all 3 of these shades, really concentrating like this one where I want to add a little bit of warmth, either of these 2, and then really using the darker 2 where I want to contour. We will be using this when I do a full routine with all the BoxyCharm makeup, but like I said, there's not enough in this box without me having to literally just cream contour and bronze, and that's it. Next, from Dew of the Gods, this is the Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub, retailing for $30. Tiny, delicate silica crystals bind to a rich oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. Say goodbye to layers. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with this Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub, formulated with fatty squalane to protect new skin while the old one washes away. Designed to be applied dry with tiny magnesium oxide crystals, are like no scrub you've ever experienced, retailing for $30. I'm going to have to do some research on this. I typically don't like a super crystallized facial exfoliator. For me, I find they're a little too abrasive. You do not want those tiny lacerations on the surface of your skin. It's just not great for your skin. Personally, I used to love that scrub feeling. You know, I raved about the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion for years until I completely 180'd my opinion and I was like, listen, this is not helping your skin because I saw the damage it was doing to mine. So I do tend to use a chemical exfoliant, or if I'm going to use a physical exfoliant, I like the Exfolicate because it's mostly chemical with a tiny bit of physical, or the Dermalogica rice powder. I think that that is a very gentle way to get that little bit of physical exfoliant while still being predominantly chemical. Next, from Koa Life, this is the niacinamide booster, retailing for $35. Boost your current skincare regime with this booster serum. Add a few pumps into your current skincare to level up your products or on its own. Niacinamide keeps your skin firm and healthy, treats hyperpigmentation, helps blemishes, protects against sun damage, and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Juicy skin starts here. Niacinamide is an amazing ingredient that I actually have in my routine a couple different layers and steps in. So this is a wonderful product when you really want to like test out how your skin reacts to an ingredient. I think it is, yeah, the packaging is nice. It's a really nice frosted glass bottle. This is definitely on the thinner side. You can kind of see it shaking inside. Now, the second I open it, it does start to expire. It does have a manufacture date of 11/22. So really, I have until probably 11 of this current year before I would say it's going to start to have a negative implication on the product. But there is no open jar on here. So I'm going to wait to open it until I'm ready to use it. So I am not going to crack the seal just yet. And the last item is from Bell & Argent. This is the Tinted Lip Balm in the shade At Hello Nude. Nourishing, lightly tinted balm helps to moisturize lips all day and provide gentle cover. Made with jojoba and sunflower oil, works for all skin types and comfortable enough to wear all day. Now, I have used this in the past. I got one of these from IPSY, and I remember not loving the formula. I'm just going to take a peek at the product without actually opening it because, yeah, I have received this. I got it in an IPSY and used a product just like it. I don't remember the color I had, but I remember not liking it. So I'm going to be passing on this. Now, all in this box had a retail value of $151. Only one of the products was an immediate no for me. One I'm kind of on the fence about, but the three I liked. More than almost broke $100 in value, so definitely a decent box. I will say that the cleansing oil, which I already know and love, pays for the box itself at $26. So really excited about that. I'm a little upset that there really wasn't a whole lot I could apply on camera for you, because you know how much I love doing like a demo try on. And the goal for the future is that I will be able to do that. But like looking at this, a lot of these products are, I don't want to call them filler products, but I don't think of them as a cohesive box. And as we know from the announcements with BoxyCharm and IPSY and the whole merger thing, because of how many boxes they're doing, there's been this issue where nothing feels cohesive and there's just so much in the boxes because they have to put out so many boxes. And this is a Boxy Luxe month. So I've already unboxed, filmed, and posted videos, and I'll upload them up here, of my IPSY Glam Bag, my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, talking about all of those. I now have this. I just got my Boxy Luxe as well, which I'm about to film with. My BoxyCharm Premium hasn't even come yet. So we are 5 boxes deep. So clearly, you're not going to have enough makeup to do a whole face in every box. Now, that being said, there's a ton of makeup in my Luxe box, so I will most likely use this in that Luxe unboxing when we're demoing everything else. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts. Sound off down below with what you think about the box, the merger, all of the above. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!